In Chennai, a model example has come to light in MRC Nagar, where since the last 3 years, a group of women have been educating residents about segregating waste at the household level. As a result, today nearly 1,000 households are working towards a zero-waste colony. Smita TK speaks to these citizens who have led by example.
Every time the corporation or NGOs take the initiative to spread awareness on source segregation, most residents have excuses ready to not fall in line. Some say that the garbage collectors would anyway mix up the segregated trash collected from some homes with the rest of the garbage, and others say that it's a time-consuming exercise amidst their busy schedule. However, some households right here in Chennai are an exception. So, ma'am, could you tell us why and how you felt the need to segregate garbage right at the household level?
Thank you. See, this happened about 7-8 years ago when the idea came into us, but it really didn't take off because we didn't have proper support. But now 3 years ago, we have started this with the help of all the residents. The reason being the roads used to be quite dirty and the people never used to throw the garbage in the bins. They used to throw it outside. And second thing was the rack pickers used to go and pick up, and we felt it was inhuman to make them do it. And so the idea came in, like, instead of going about telling them not to do this, not to do that, the positive approach was to segregate from our end.
So, ma'am, what does it take to bring together people in the locality to do the same?
Actually, first thing was to educate the people. You know, all the wet waste which we are going to give it, instead of putting in the trash bin, if we compose, it's going to come back to us as manure. Children are a big force. So children, if they are told why this segregation has to be done, they will go and teach their parents. We conducted quiz for the children about only on the issue of segregation, and we conducted wealth from waste. Like, children will find a lot of waste trash in the trash can, CDs, broken CDs, the batteries, ice cream cups, ice cream spoons, a lot of innovative ideas. They should, do many useful items from the these trash items. So when it became a success, it just spread. It's all a, chain reaction kind. Yeah.
How has the corporation and other agencies helped you to reduce, reuse and recycle waste?
Yeah, we were in full synergy after motivating the residents, but we thought there is some lack of infrastructure to dispose the segregated waste. We sold out the dry waste. Monthly, we sold 2,000 kgs for around 2,000 kgs for MRC Nagar to Earth Recyclers, and we got money for that. And with that, we got the bins and we distributed to the residents. But for wet waste, we don't have a space. So that is the big question mark. And people amalgamated and they chosen the place behind the MRC Nagar, and we approached the corporation. So ultimately, our goal is to have a zero waste MRC Nagar.
This Diwali, sir, how do you hope to spread awareness on garbage segregation?
I think we should take a oath this Diwali that we will move towards zero waste and convert waste to gold. Normally, during festival seasons, we have several programs to increase environmental consciousness in our community. And the theme of all this is refuse, reduce, reuse, and recycle.
What are your future initiatives, sir, as a resident?
On November 14th, we are going to have Greenathon, similar to Halloween, where children will dress in the different colors to indicate different types of waste and how to recycle.
Here, nearly 1,000 households, including apartments and individual homes, have embraced this concept and are now getting rid of their garbage in a responsible manner. If you want a clean city, it starts from your home. In Chennai, with camera person Ravi, Smita TK for NDTV.